everybody, and welcome back to another video. It's Ace Coding, and today is part 3 on how to make a coin tycoon game on Scratch. So this is what we have in the game so far. We have clicking, and you can get upgrades. Once you get to 100 coins, 800, 5,000. And in this episode, we're going to be improving our game and customizing it. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is make this coin tycoon text move up and down. So I'm going to go into backdrops, copy this because we're going to make a sprite, and then delete this text on the backdrop. So press backspace, then make a new sprite and press paste. So we're doing this because we can't really code the backdrop separately. So we need to make a new sprite that we can code. I named this to Coin Tycoon. And remember to always save your project. So we wanted to go to over here at the bottom. So when green flag click, go to X for Y minus 1, because that's at the bottom right here. And now we want to use the glide. So glide 1 second to maybe a bit up. So the X still has to be full so that it doesn't go diagonally, but the Y is 18. You can look at it over here. So the Y is 18. So then we want it to glide a bit down, a bit more below Y minus 1. So Y maybe minus 4. And X is 4. So this just means that at the start we wanted to go to 4, X4 minus 1, which is kind of the middle. We wanted to glide it a bit up, which is X4, Y18, then a bit down, which is X4, Y minus 4. So if we do it, yeah. But we want to put that in a forever loop. Because it just stops, so forever loop will make it keep on happening forever. Yeah, like that. So now this coin, I wanted to glide too, so I can just put when green flag click. Oh, actually no. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a money sign in the middle of it. So use shift to draw a straight perfect circle. I'm gonna put the outline to be nothing. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. So like that, and I'm gonna put money logo $sign. Oops. Gonna make it a bit bigger. I'm gonna make the outline a bit bolder. And I'll put it over like here. Yeah, so like that. Now I wanted to keep on rotating, so yeah, when green flag click, forever, turn 15 degrees. And that's just, degrees is like rotating, and we want it to rotate 15 times at one point. So now if we look, yeah, it's like that. I might want to make it only when I just want to put all this in the middle, and I want to see what it'll look like only if we're clicking on it. So no. Okay. I know what to do. Maybe put a repeat 10 so that it's like a loop. Yeah, like that. Or I just like it like, you can do whatever you want. I'm just experimenting. Actually, I'll just do forever turns 15 degrees. I like that. Okay, now I'm gonna redesign these logos, and I'll be back when I've done redesigning them. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is what I have. I've moved the icons, I've changed them. I've moved the coin to the side. I've changed the text, and I added some sound. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So for text, there's different websites you can do. I like to use cooltext.com. So you choose one you want. I'm going to choose fun. Then you edit the text to whatever you want. I'm going to put, hi guys. Press create logo and hit on download. Then it should start. To bring it into Scratch project, hover over this cat head here and click on upload sprite, then choose the file. So download. Like that. So hi guys is here, but I don't need it right now. So that's how you can get text. There's different fonts. So for these ones I used fun. And for Coin Tycoon I used easy. So it's really good. But these icons here, you can just type in, so I have lemonade stand, type in lemonade cartoon. I like to type in cartoon because if you type in real life, it doesn't really look good. So I like to type in cartoon. See, I already have it, cartoon lemonade stand. Then also remember to type PNG, because PNG is transparent. So if I go on images, yeah, If it's transparent, that means that it has this checkered background behind it. But like this one, it has a background behind it, which is not good. It'll like overlap with stuff. So this is the one I chose. I clicked save image as, but then when I uploaded it to Scratch, it still had a checkered background. So that might happen to you. So just click on the image. It should take you to a website. Then click on the thing you want. So it was this one. Yeah, then click on free download and upload it. And now do the same for the shoe and the diamond. Yeah. Now to add sound. So which one's playing the sound? The back. Yeah, the coin is playing the sound. So I just chose sounds from the library. I just look for effects for when you click on it. And I found collect. I wanted to do coin or collect, but I like collect better. Then I clicked on loops, which is like it goes on forever, and I looked for a nice tune. So I found I can't really find it. I don't know where it is. Yeah, that one. That's the one I found. Then I just put it in here. And underneath the coin I put when? Well, like I put start sound collect when it's touching mouse pointer and mouse down because we want it to play that noise when we're clicking on it. And one green flag click forever play sound dance energetic, so it will keep on playing the sound. And don't put start sound because it means that it will start the sound but it won't actually carry on until the end. So this happens if you put start sound. Yeah, it sounds weird. It's not actually playing the sound all the way through to the end. It's just playing the start of the sound and it doesn't really sound nice. But if you play sound until done, it plays all of the sound, then starts again because it's in a forever loop. So save your project. This is the last episode on how to make a coin tycoon game on Scratch. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.